Okay, part 2. I can make it be better forever. Okay, this is, I changed a bunch of caps here, basically all of them. And I changed these here, boom, 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 right there, those 4. I changed, there's a cap down there that I changed. Where are you? Oh, this one.
Alright, it's a little bit longer.
Right there. And it still didn't do anything. It still wasn't modulating. And I figured, you know what? There's got to be something in line with the audio. Okay, so the first thing, I should have thought of this before. Alright, now let me zoom in a little bit. See if it'll work. Okay, now the first thing in line with that white wire is this cap. And I should have thought of that in the first place. This white wire goes to the negative of the cap, which goes through the cap into the positive and into the rest of the stuff. Well, I changed all of them caps right there just to do something. Changed all these big ones and a bunch of all these right here because I thought that all this was jacked up, which all it was that one little cap here, which is probably, I think it's this one here. Let's see what it is. It's a 47. A 47, no voltage on it, but I had a gold 47 at 50 volts, so I just put it in there and boom, it works. Now, here it is. Here we go. I'm going to show you the modulation and everything. AM. Audio. You hear it in there? 1, 2. Audio. Okay, here's the watts. Audio. Audio, normal talking, audio. Okay. Now let me go to sideband. Audio. Okay. And that was lower. This is upper. Okay. Lower again. Yeah, 6 watts. AM. 3 watts swinging to normal talking, 6 watts. Yep, just like the sticker on the radio says. Well, that says 12 watts, but it's putting out almost 12 watts. Okay, so there it is. The Gladiator is now fixed and modulating as should be. Alright. Volume. There ain't nobody out there, of course. Channel 6, nobody. The A&L works. PA, on, off. Noise blanker PA. Alright. Alright, there it is. Gladiator. The king of all mobiles, other than Teledyne. Yep. Okay, it's fixed. I'm happy. I'm not changing any more caps. I don't want to jinx myself. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buried in there. 9, and that's it. 9 more caps to go, but I don't really feel like doing that, so we'll just let it be for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, there it is. The Gladiator fixed. Boat anchor CB radio CB repair of a Gladiator 1974 with sort of the help of the book, although I just followed my instincts and said, wait a minute, where's this white wire go? It goes to that. Well, change that and boom, it starts working. Okay, break.